Here is a case of large stone burden in the inferior calyx in solitary kidney with bifid system. 33 years old male patient, flank pain 5 days, 26 into 11 centimeter stone, creatinine 1.3. Patient was told that PCNL is the best surgery for more than 2 centimeter stone, even though RIRS is also an option, but he wanted only RIRS and only RIRS. The initially trigone is not seen well, trabeculated mildly bladder. Lot of time was taken with ureteric orifice. We are sharing a trick here. If you have see that everywhere it appears like ureteric orifice, keep on mild poking with the soft end of the Terumo guide wire. At the bladder neck edge, when I was doing like this, it suddenly slips as I expected like this, and after that the elasticity of the ureter, distensibility of the ureter, ureteric orifice, everything was accommodable. Then ureteroscope rigid went easily, RGP done, deep inferior calyx, entire calyx is filled with stone, there will not be any space. RGP normally better to do at the beginning. Some amount of powder were there in the upper calyx. While withdrawing, I could not see the inferior calyx mouth. It is usually happens. If you go back again, now I came to mid ureter. Then if you go back again and see the floor closely like this, it will be edematous because of such a big stone, and difficult entry will be there. One way it is good for PCNL and RIRS, because in RIRS if you have a closed cavity and the stone is seen and approachable to the laser fiber, you can use a little bit of high energy lasers and quickly make powder as well as small fragments. This is the classical benefit effect of thulium fiber laser with high energy 2 Hz and 15 joules. Quickly it makes into fragments, looks less dense stone. We don't know the composition, but looks some amount of uric acid in this. Very advantageous. Ultimately patient is not wrong in choosing RIRS, even though I was reluctant to do RIRS in the beginning. Ultimately, in a matter of 20-25 minutes, everything is powdered. So the point we want to enlighten here is the popcorn technique. Popcorn is very useful. Thulium fiber laser at high frequency 200 is completely powdered. Multiple times all the powder is washed. There is a method of stenting into the lower calyx. You pass the guide wire with the flexible scope, keep the access sheath over the guide wire, you thread it. Invariably the stent end will go into the guide wire where you have kept. Coil it more so that it won't come out while withdrawing. Here you see the inferior calyx, it has gone nicely coiled. In that way the infundibulum which we have operated will be free and edema will not be will be subsiding after some time. Small fragments also can be coming out through that opening. So when patient chooses large stone inferior calyx, one has to be wise, and RGP and going inside and seeing the stone also should be kept as an option. And I have explained to the patient both options and convinced them in case I have difficulty of RIRS, I will go to PCNL. At the end he accepted. With that I went in, but RIRS went smoothly. That is the message we wanted to give in this video. Thank you very much.